Hello, welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to block every ad on your iPhone. Here I am on my settings tab. You're going to scroll down all the way to privacy and security, and then you're going to scroll down some more until you get to Apple advertising. And as soon as you go to that, you press on it. Make sure that personalized ads is off. That's the first thing you want to do. I'm going to have it on because I don't care. So you go back, and the second step that you want to do is that you want to hit screen time, and then you want to scroll down all the way until content and privacy restrictions, and you want to go down all the way to Apple advertising and stop it. Absolutely disallow that. So we're going to go to Apple advertising and then press don't allow. That's what you want to do. And the third and final thing you want to do is that you want to go to your apps, go to Safari, if that's the browser you're using, or whatever browser that you're using, you want to go to that, and you want to press block pop-ups. You want to make sure that the block pop-ups is blocked, and that's how to block every ad on your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching.